Hello, my dear children. Today we are again with our fourth lesson, that is division. The last class I have told you that we will continue the division of 4-digit numbers with a single digit. Shall we continue? Before starting, let us have a silent prayer. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Do you have any confusion with that last class? Okay. So let us try the second question. One more question. That is from your textbook. Exercise 4.5. First question, okay, that I am going to do for you. That is 4,260 divided by 4. Okay, this is our topic. Division by a single digit. Okay, let the number of digits be 1, 2, 4, 3 or 4. Okay, this is our topic. Now only we entered into our topic. So far, we have practiced with the small numbers. Now let us do the question. 4,260. First step we have to write in a division format. Okay. This is what we are going to do. What is the first step? Now so far if you did not understand, don't worry. Listen to me. Okay. First step, look at the first digit. First digit is 4. And the divisor is also 4. So what we are going to do? I have 4 toffee with me. I am going to take 4 toffee at a time. How many times I can take like that? For that, you have to say the table of 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. If I want to take twice, I should have 8 toffees. Right? Since I have only 4 toffee, I can take only once. Because I am taking 4 at a time. So, say the table of 4. 4 into 1 is 4. So, write that 1 above. Then multiply 4 into 1. 4 just below this. Then third step, minus it. While doing subtraction, throw up to this much. Okay. Then subtract 0. So, first packet I have taken and it is over. Now, bring down the next digit, second digit. Listen well. 2. All of you listen well. Okay. Second, I brought down the 2. Now I have only 2 toffees. 0 2 means 2 itself. 2 toffees with me. I am going to take 4 at a time. Is it possible? Is it possible to take 4 at a time from 2? No, I have only 2 and I want to take 4 at a time. I cannot take it. So, whenever it is not possible to take it at a time, what you have to do is that just put 0 above that number. Okay, above that digit. I brought down 2. From 2, I cannot take away 4. Or when you say the table of 4, you will not get a product as 2. So, write 0 there. Don't forget, whenever it is not possible to take away, put a 0 just as quotient place and bring down next digit there itself. Write 6. Put one arrow and you checked whether it is possible, not possible, put 0. Bring down the next number, just putting arrow like this. So, the number became 26. Okay. Now, I have 26 toffees with me. I am going to take 4 at a time. How many times I can take it? For that, say the table of 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. Right? If it is there 28 toffee, I can take 7 times. Since I don't have up to 28, I cannot take 7 times. Okay? I can take just before that. That is 6 times. So, write 6 there. Then multiply 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. Write 24 there. Okay. Which number you have taken? 26. So, below that here, don't consider this one. Okay. 0 you can avoid. We together took 26. So, just below that 26 you write 24. Then third step, after multiplication, division, subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, now I have again only 0, 2 means 2 toffees. Can I take 4 at a time? No. So, what you will do? Bring down the next digit like this. Where you are bringing still there, you have to then write that 0. Now I have together 20 toffees with me. From 20, I can take 4. How many times I can take? For that, say the table of 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. And 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. If I want to take 6 times, I should have 24 toffee. Since I don't have 24, I have only 20. Just above that number is 5. 5 times. So write that 5 there. Then 5 into 4 is 20. Right below just 20. Okay, which number you consider 20? So just below that, write it. Then subtract. 20 minus 20 is 0. So nothing is left with me. Right? This is the way to divide. This is the second question. See this. 7,032 divided by 8. Okay. Now let us see this one. How it will be possible for you. Write in the division format. 8. First step, consider the first digit, 7. From 7, I have only 7. I am going to take away 8 from that. Can I take 8 at a time from 7? No, since this is smaller number, you cannot take it away. Okay, first step is that. You cannot take it away. What did I say if it is not possible to take? You have to put a 0. Just put a 0 here. Okay. Then what you will consider? Consider the next number. Here no need of bringing down and all. Just consider the, after putting 0, consider the next number together. Now it became 74. Now you have 74 toffees. From 74, we are going to take 8 at a time. So how many times you can take it? For that, say the table of 8 again. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7 is 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. So we don't have 80. We cannot take 10 times. So just above 8 9 times. If you take 9 times, it will be over. 72 toffees will be over. So 8 9 times 9 into 8 72. Okay, write 72. Since we considered 74, just below 74 write the 72. Next step, subtraction. Do subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, so that means 2 itself. Can you take 8 from 2? No, it is smaller number. So make it big by bringing down the next digit, 3. Now it is 23. Okay. Consider 23 toffees are there. You are going to take 8 at a time. How many times you can take? I can say the table of 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. So 8 3 times if you take, you should have 24. Since you have only 23, you cannot take 3 times. So just before that 2 times. 8 2s are 16. Right just below here. Minus. From 3 minus 6 you cannot do. So make it as 13. By borrowing from here, and it will become 1. 13 minus 6. You will get a 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So now you have again 7 toffees. Is it possible to take 8 from 7? No, it's not possible. So bring the next digit. Not 2 alone. 72. From 72 you can take away 8. How many times? Yes, it is 9 times. So write 72 there. Balance is 0. So answer is this one. Okay. Here once again, just I want to tell you one more thing. Since when you check the first 7, 7 is smaller number. That means from 7 you cannot take away 8. So you are putting 0 in the quotient space. Since this is the first digit, if you are putting 0 there, there is no value for the 0 first. Okay. So no need of putting 0. If you put 0 also, it's not a mistake. Okay. It's not need of putting. This question like this. Once again, 7,432 divided by 8. First look at the first digit. Since first digit is smaller, we cannot divide that one. Consider 74. Whenever you are taking a digit from the given, if it is not supposed to put 0, Here I am not putting 0 because it is the first digit 0. If you put 0 first, there is no value. So, no need of putting. Otherwise, if you have any confusion, put a 0 there. Don't worry, it's not a mistake. Then consider 74. In 74, how many times you can take 8 at a time? Say the table of 8. We already done, that is 9 times. 9 times you can take 8 at a time. So, you get 72. Minus it. You got 2. Okay. You cannot take away 2. So, bring down the next number 23. In 23, you can take 2 times. That is 8 2s are 16. Then minus it. When you subtract, you got 7. From 7, you cannot subtract. So, bring down the next digit. That is 2. 72 again 9 times. 72 itself. Minus it 0. Okay. This is the way to do division. Don't worry. It will be more clear for you if you practice the given questions from your textbook. Okay. This is the second topic you have to study. First topic you studied is division by 10, 100 and 1000. Both in with the remainder and without remainder. Second section you have to study is division of 4-digit number by a single digit number. In that there are different type of questions which will be able to divide, which will not be able to divide exactly. Balance will be coming, reminders will be there, other questions will be there. All this we can practice. Okay, if you stand still in this question, we won't be able to complete the portions. Okay, you practice it. If you will have any doubts, you will clarify in the online session or through WhatsApp. You can call me personally. Okay. Okay. Shall we move to the third topic from this lesson? Third topic is very simple thing. If you know this much, it is very easy. The story problems or word problem. Questions will be given in a statement way. You have to do division. Okay. Let us move to the third section, that is story problems. Third section we are studying is story problems. Okay. From the textbook itself, I give the questions. You have to do it. Very simple ones. Okay. First, take the page number 71. Page number 71. Is first question. A school building had 4 floors with equal number of children on each floor. If there were 6,900 children, how many children were there on each floor? Okay. So, in this question, always total will be given. Total number of students, total rupees. Okay, like the total will be given. And you have to find out the number of floors, number of batches, number of like that questions. Okay. Otherwise, sometimes in the just compare with the multiplication. In multiplication, like this, it will be cost of 1 pen will be given. You have to find out the cost of 10 pen, 15 pen, like that. More number will be found. You have to find out. Just the reverse of that happens in division. More will be given. That is, cost of 15 pen is 1000. Find out the cost of 1 pen. Then this division. Okay. Whenever they ask you to find out the more, it is multiplication. When it is asked to find out less, that means 1, it is division. Clear? Just like in the question, cost of a pen is 10. Find the cost of 15 pens. So they are given the information cost of 1 pen. And you are asked to find out cost of 15 pens. 1 is given, you have to find out 15. That is multiplication. Okay. Always 1 will be given. You have to find out the more. It is multiplication. In the question of division, 15 like this. 15 pen costs 1000. Rupees 1000. Find the cost of 1 pen. Just reverse of multiplication happens in division. Okay. Like that you have to think. Always total will be given and you will be asked in each floor. Cost of 1 pen. Okay. So 9,000 oranges are there. I am going to pack into 12. How many oranges will be there in each packet? or each box, like that. Each, one packet, cost of one thing, like that questions are related to division. Okay, here see this. School building had 4 floors with equal number of children in each floor. If there are 6,900 children, how many children were there in each floor? Okay, they are given. Total number of students are 6,900. And how many floors are there? 4. So 6,900 children should be divided into equal into 4. Okay. So the question is that how many children will be there in one floor? There are 4 floors. You have to find out number of students in one floor. Okay. So this is division. So they are given total number of students in 4 floor and you are asked to find out the number of students in one floor. Okay, so you have to read and understand the meaning of the question. Total in 4 floors is given. We have to find out number of students in one floor. That is division by dividing only. That means total should be divided into 4. Then only you will get 1. Right? Like that. Don't by heart any words to remember that identify that is division. Read the question, understand the meaning and you develop your own idea. Okay. So let us do this one. Okay, a school building had 4 floors. Number of floors given. And if there were 6,900 children, total number of students also given. You have to find out third part. A statement you have to split into 3 parts. Third part is how many children were there in each floor. So how will you write the statements? Whatever it is given, number of, this is not rupees, this is number given. So you can write number of students. Write first sentence statement. Number of children. Yes, number of children. How much it is? Yes, 6,900. Yes. Second step. What it is? Number of floor. Number of floors. How many floors are there? It's also given clearly. 4. Therefore, number of children in each floor. Okay, it's equal to, how will you find out number of students in each floor? For that, write the statement and write like this. Total number of students divided by 4. Just leave equal symbol, underline it, keep it like this. After doing the division in the margin or working column, not margin, working column, you can write down the answer here. Okay, this is the step. The equal symbol should be straight one below the other. Okay, 3 statements will be there in for division. First step, write the total number of students or total rupees, whatever it is given. Next, number of floors given. Third step, what is they are asked to find out. Then show what you have to do there itself. Okay, by looking at this, it is clear that you know or you understood the meaning of the question. If you are able to identify this as division, half of the work is over. You will get half mark. Now calculation can be done in the working column. Okay, since there is not enough space, let me wrap it off. Okay, we will do the calculation, that is 6,900 divided by 4. First digit. From 6 you are going to take away 4. How many times you can take? Only once. If you want to take away 2, 4 2s are 8. So it's not possible. One time. You got 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2. From 2 you cannot take away 4. So bring down the next number. Digit, that is 9. So it became 29. From 29 you can take 7 times. 7 4s are 28. Then subtract, minus it, you will get 1. Now you have only 1. You cannot subtract or you cannot take away 4 from 1. So bring down the next digit, that is 0. Now we got 10. 10 toffee. From 10 you are going to take 4 at a time. 2 times 4 2s are 8. You have to write 8 here. Okay, one digit. Subtract 10 minus 8. Make it as 10 by borrowing from here. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay. Here also it's not possible to divide 2 by 4. So bring down the next digit here, 0. So again to become 20. From 20, say the 20. Look at the 20. From 20, you are going to take away 4 at a time. How many times you can take away? Say the table of 4, you get 5 times. 5 into 4 is 20. Then subtract 0. Okay, no more number is left. That means 6,900 students are there and they are arranged in 4 floors equally, and in each floor there are 1,725 students. Okay, that was the question. So the space provided right there, 1,725 students or 1,725 children in one floor. That's the question. Okay, right. You can check whether your answer is correct or not. Quotient into divisor, that is 1725 into 4. Yes, plus remainder is 0. So you got 6,900. That's a way to check the answer whether you got correct or not. Okay, this is the story problem. Story problem nothing different from division. You have to write the statements. That is very easy for you. Then do actual division. Okay, you have to practice saying questions repeatedly or do different questions. If you have any doubts while doing, just call me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Second question. So shall we discuss the third question? See, if 9,635 rupees is to be divided equally among 5 people, how much will each person get? Okay, I hope it's clear. It's very clear to understand. They are given total number of money and total people, and the question is that how much money will one person will get. So what do you have to do? Divide it. Shall we do this one? 9,635 divided by 5. Okay, going to divide 9. Look at the digit 9 by 5. So say the table of 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. We cannot do 2 times, write 1. 5 1 is 5. Subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 4 is smaller than 5. We cannot divide, take away. So bring down the next digit. 6. 46. Say the table of 5. 9 5s are 45. So 9 times 45 minus 6 minus 5 is 1. Here it is 0. Now I have only 1. We cannot divide or subtract, take away. So bring down the next digit 3. Now it became 13. Say the table of again 5. 2 times 5 2s are 10. Right here. Again subtract 3. Now I have only 3. It's not possible to divide. Bring down the next digit. That is 5. Again say the table of 5. You will get 7 5s are exactly is 35. So no reminder. So if 9,635 rupees is divided among 5 people equally, each one will get 1,927 rupees. So answer is rupees 1,927. Okay, you have to try more questions. It will be easier. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next video. God bless you.